We know, as car enthusiasts, that if you're proud of your car, you want to keep your car clean. We also know that these days, if you want to properly clean your car, it can get expensive pretty quickly. So today we'll check out how far can we get with 150 euros of Temu products. We'll clean our race car and look how beautiful it can get. What? Is this our race car? This is our race car. Oh, this is our 2024 Hyundai Atos V12 race car, Nürburgring edition.
Postman! Today we're testing Temu products. Welcome! Heya!
Oh, we're gonna cut it? Oh, that's dangerous. Watch your back, people. Let's see what we got from Temu. Nice! Okay, 150 euros. Let's see what it brings us. So Willem, what did we get in the package?
We mainly receive products to clean our amazing racing car.
So like we all know, ordering from Temu, it's a bit difficult. You got some pictures and you don't really know what you're gonna get.
If you want to order from Temu, check the coupon.
Check the code on this flag.
Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in a lot of categories. If you consider ordering from Temu, don't forget to download the app and use our 100 euro coupon bundle that is shown on the screen.
When ordering from Temu, you get standard free shipping, and if the products arrive late, you get a $5 credit. Do you want to check out our complete list of products that we ordered? Check out our pinned comment below. That's our polisher, so we're gonna polish the car.
We have some wax for black cars.
We got some extra pads for our polisher.
We have some tire shine. We're also gonna test today how good our skills are in getting dents out of our race car. Because when you get at the track, you get dents pretty easily.
And we're racing a lot with this race car.
We're racing a lot with our amazing Hyundai Atos. We have a coating for the car.
And some washing cloths. We should have some shampoo in there too. Could be this one.
Extremely well packed. So you're...
Oh no, it's the shampoo.
It's the shampoo. It will always arrive in a good shape because they know how to pack with Temu.
So if we take a closer look at the products that we got from Temu, in the order that we're gonna use it. So we start with some shampoo. We got the water activated coating car wash.
One of the non-Temu products we're using is just a regular high pressure washer. So that was not really in the budget. And we traveled to our washing location.
It's also not included.
Not included by Temu.
We'll start off with just high water pressure to clean the most dirt off. We need to mix it ratio 1 to 5.
Smell test?
Yeah, good soda.
Okay, yeah, it's a little bit sweet.
We'll start with half the bottle because we have a really dirty car.
It's a race car, so they do get dirty, you know. Got a lot of tar on the side and
That's very
rubber and
tape.
stones that are flying
And
from
duct tape, don't
duct
forget
tape,
duct
yes.
tape.
We have some cleaning products. So we have a little wash hand. We got a 2-in-1 microfiber sponge. We got a few hand pads to clean it. And let's check this one. 3-piece all-purpose cleaning cloth. 3 kind of microfiber cloth. And we got a microfiber wheel brush on a stick so we can get into those nice wheel caps. Clean them really good.
I will start with our microfiber washing glove. Don't forget to remove the paper. Keeping your race car be like foolproof and easy to use.
I will start with the sponge, double-sided. When you're cleaning paint, you have to make sure you make swirls so you can see the clean car from every angle. It smells like
I don't know.
fruit juice that we just had.
From soda.
Like a mango apple fruit juice.
The hydrophobic coating is doing its job.
You can see the hydrophobic coating working in, and it gets the car decently clean, I think. Okay, step 1 done. Car is clean. What's next?
Then we continue on with the headlight. We want to restore the headlight because these ones we have now are really foggy.
We're getting ready for the headlight restoration kit. Before, yeah, that matches pretty good. After, let's see if we can get there in 30 minutes. So, using the microfiber cloth, we clean up the headlight and dry it up. So the instructions tell us 4 steps: sanding, polishing, protecting and finishing. For tough jobs, 1-person job, 3 steps. Yeah. This is pretty nice because the plastic is already attached to the masking tape. Makes for a real easy application. So that's some plus points here. So we start with sanding, wet sanding. We have the 800. We start with that one. We're gonna sand the headlights. Start the music. So we're finished with the sanding. Now we're gonna go to the polishing phase. So we got the polish paste and the polish pad. Give it some, ooh, a big drop. Spread it over the headlight a little bit. Willem is starting by hand, I'm starting by drill. A little bit faster. So for step 3 of this kit, we have a protective liquid. It's a little like a clear coat to protect it from the sunlight. We have to dry in for 15 minutes and then this is finished. So we put on the coating and it looks extra nice now. I'm not sure if it stays like this. Now we're close to brand new. Headlights, done.
We continue with the clay bars. We can get all the dirt and grime out of the paint that's inside of the paint in the top layer. We can clean them out with those clay blocks. I'm really interested to see how these work and if they're actually good. I believe they're really cheap, so let's see.
So the next step is we're gonna clay the car. There were no instructions with this one, only the blue clay bars in some plastic. So I searched on the website with our product and they tell us we need to use some lubricant, water. We should be able to remove some dirt that's inside the top layer of the paint. That's what it normally does. Let's see if the Temu one also does it like that. The unpacking is a little bit, yeah.
Nice.
Is that all?
Yeah.
I think so. Smell test? Chemical. That's the smell test. Your piece?
I thought it was gonna smell something really nice and flowery, but...
Let's see what happens. Have you ever clayed a car before?
No, I haven't.
Me neither.
So this is the perfect one to test it out, our race car.
Can already see some dirt in my clay, so it's doing something.
No.
Oh no.
Will it do the job? That's the question.
But this hood was already really bad before, so it's not that we just ruined it with the clay.
But let's see.
So what we're gonna do now is use the wax with our polishing machine to see if we can clean this up a little. If it becomes anything better.
Then we'll do the whole car.
If it doesn't, we stop here and that's the end of the video. And if it does become better, then we continue with the rest.
We continue with the paint. We got some black gold wax. So we're gonna wax the paint all around. And to do that, we have this really nice polisher. We also have ordered some extra pads. So we have different pads so we can do different kind of faces. We got a polish machine so we don't have to do it all by hand. We got some wax. And I'm really interested to see how this paint of our nice race car is gonna come back after a nice polishing.
Because race car, see what's, ooh. This is, that's actually black. That's wel een beetje spul.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Well,
Not too bad, is it?
so it's not perfect, but it did polish it and make the color a lot blacker than it was before. That's one thing, that's for sure. Normally you need a tape line in the middle to see the difference between before and after.
We don't need it.
I don't really need that on this one.
We continue with some dent repair. We got this set, this dent repair set with a puller, some glue and some tips to attach to the dent so we can pull out the dents. We're gonna see how that works.
So the next thing we are going to test from Temu is our dent remover. What's not delivered with the package is a glue gun. So if you order this, please keep that in mind. We found a nice dent and we'll check if we can get it out. So this is the little one for the little dents. We also have bigger ones. So we're pressing it on. Now we have to wait till it's cold again.
Well, the dent is still there. User error or product error? Nope.
That did we do? Oh.
It's definitely pulling on it, but it's not able to get it out. This one didn't work. So let's continue with the rest of the hood, polish it, and if we're happy with it, we do the whole race car. we found it works on chrome, it works on bumpers, plastic, it works on paint, it works on glass. It's like a everything polish. Yeah,
The
we have to
result
say,
isn't even that bad.
a lot better actually. Hey ya!
Yeah.
Next product are 3 kind of brushes that you can attach to your drill. These are really handy for the inside of the car to clean out the carpets and get the dirt out of those carpets. So we connected the brush to the drill and now let's use it on the carpets in the car. It pulled the dirt out of the carpet pretty nicely and is now ready to be vacuumed up. Then we have the tire gloss wax to give the tires a real nice black shine, and we get some application pad with it and a little brush.
Here we go and test the tire shine delivered with a special applicator. When we opened this, we were surprised it was pink. The smell was fruity and it made the tires get a shiny look. However, after driving in the rain, the glossy effect was almost gone. So when the race car is completely clean, it's shiny, it's polished, we want to protect it. So we got a 3-in-1 car coating so we can protect our progress and hopefully keep it shiny for a long time. This is our final step. A 3-in-1 coating to make the car keep its shine. The coating is a milky substance that we spray onto the car and wipe it off with a fresh microfiber towel. This made our paint even more shiny and will protect our hard work. Let's see the results and look if this Temu budget detailing is worth it.
Well, Benno,
What do you think, Benno?
what do you think? I would say,
Shiny.
Aito.
Aito. Well, as you can see, it is pretty damn clean. Especially the headlights. I wasn't expecting this because they were really worn out. Also, the paint is really smooth.
Yeah, so it was tough because our race car was not in the best shape. It had a lot of races and it wasn't in the best shape. But if I look at it now, it's really not bad. So if you got a race car like this one and maybe one that's not that much more expensive than this one, then I would say yes. Temu is worth it to detail your car. But if you have a lot more expensive race car, maybe try something else. But that's up to you. You've seen the video, you can decide for yourself. We have one final thing to do, and that's choose our smell of our air freshener.
Orange.
We go for orange? Hey yeah, orange.
Hey,
Let's do it, let's check it out.
orange or sea elegance. I think actually this
Ooh.
sounds way better. So
Let's go for some sea elegance then.
okay.
Very nice. Put in the smell bar. Place the smell bar in your race car.
Mom.
Hey yeah.
Nürburgring edition. Hey